Hello everyone, this is Harsha. Welcome to my channel Crypto English. So hi guys, in today's video we'll discuss about Shyft network and its IDO on Polkastarter platform. So before starting the video, if you are here for the first time, subscribe to the channel, click the like button, and if you have any doubts or clarification, mention that in the comment section below. So let's begin the video guys. So guys, first thing, what is Shyft network? So Shyft network is a credential verification platform just like Factoral ID. So I think many of you are already aware of Factoral ID. So where you would have submitted your KYC for multiple token sales or private sales allocation where you are participating. So this Shyft network also functions in the same way. And coming to Shyft network, its roadmap, it has started its roadmap on 2017 and it's 2011, almost 2021. So it's almost 3 years this project has begun, and now they are going to launch their token, which is Shyft token. Then it's a normal, just like any other Factoral ID service provider, here also users will be able to upload their KYC documents and use those same documents when in future as well, whenever they are participating in any other token sales or any other private sales. So to better understand Shyft network, I would recommend you guys to submit the KYC documents and do the whitelisting process for this project. So during this process, you will understand how this Shyft network works. So initially you have to submit your personal details, then you have to submit your address proofs, and you have to upload the ID documents. So once you're done with that, so your documents will be stored, validated and stored with Shyft network, and that too, this will be on stored on on-chain data, so the on-chain on the blockchain, so that too with the encryption. So all the data whatever you have submitted in this particular platform will be encrypted, and that encrypted data will be available on the on-chain. So that any other entity, whoever is requesting for the data after your approval, they can access the data from blockchain directly. And then once you do this process, the same data whichever you have submitted the KYC document, that will be available with Shyft network, and whenever you log in with your ID, those data can be accessed. So whenever you are participating in any future sales, if Shyft network is partnered with them for KYC validation, then you can use the same submitted data to submit in that particular project as well. Then coming to the technology part, there are 4 main parts in this particular project. So first entity is a trust anchor. So trust anchors are nothing but just like a financial institution or cryptocurrency exchange or any other regulatory bodies which will validate the data which users are submitting. So for example, if you are submitting your KYC documents into this id.shyft network for the KYC, so these anchors, trust anchors will do the validation of these documents, and if they are they are correct, then they will approve the data and it will be stored onto the database. So that is the purpose of this trust anchors. Then coming to the data owners. So data owners are nothing but we. So whoever is submitting the data into this platform, those are the users who are the owners of the data. Just like in this example, we are the owners of the data. Then coming to the data consumers. So data consumers in the sense, so in this example which I was talking, so Shyft network is a data consumer, so where they are utilizing the data. So whatever KYC you are submitting, that is accessed or validated by Shyft network. So that's why in this example the data consumers are those, and basically these data can be directly accessed through APIs and applications. Then coming to Shyft ring node. So as every blockchain, there will be node which will be validating the block. So similar way in Shyft network as well, Shyft ring nodes will be doing that activity. So they will validate the block, and they will do the validation, and whoever is running this Shyft ring nodes, they will be incentivized with the Shyft tokens. So these are the 4 main parties in particular Shyft network. And then coming to the token use case. So token utility, Shyft token is as per this document, only 2 utilities are there as of now. So first utility of this token is whoever is main core network parties like trust anchor and governing parties, so they will have to buy Shyft tokens and they have to stake them into this platform to be as a trust anchor. So to be as a trust anchor, they have to maintain some Shyft tokens as a trust score, and then they have to deposit and stake them. So this is the first use case. Then coming to the second use case, data owners just like us, who will be rewarded for Shyft tokens for sharing the data whenever it is required. So maybe in future, if you are sharing your data with any other KYC, whenever you are doing KYC, or if you are allowing your data to be shared on Shyft network, then the users who are providing the data, they also will be incentivized with the Shyft tokens as a airdrop. So this is a complete token utility of Shyft network, and they also have another entity which is Veriscope, so which is also using Shyft network capabilities to provide the validity of the data. So that is a project review, guys. So Shyft network project review. Now talking about the Polkastarter IDO. So Shyft network Polkastarter IDO will be held on 24th March, and this is through a whitelisting process. You have to submit the whitelisting form and you have to finish the KYC, and KYC is mandatory here. So definitely you have to finish the KYC. Then you have to submit your ERC20 wallet address, and then you have to finish one simple Shyft quiz. So this, once you finish that, if you are whitelisted, you will get an email, and then you will be able to participate in the token sale on 24th of this month. Then another important thing is they are going to raise around $500,000 in this IDO. So that is very huge. $500,000 divided by 300. Let's assume 300 is the individual cap, so $300. So it will be 1,666 unique addresses who will be eligible for the whitelist. So they may whitelist around 2,000 users, so that the gap will be filled. So in my point of view, there are very high chances of getting into this project's IDO. So definitely try to submit the whitelist whenever you are watching this video. So that's all, guys. That is today's video all about Shyft network, about the project review and the token sale details. So if you like the video, if you are new here, so click the subscribe button and click on the like button. So if you have any further doubts or clarification, mention it in the comment section below. So that's all, guys. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind.